Hi guys, so we have another review here. This is the TimeMore grinder. This is the C3 grinder. Actually, it's very good quality. Has the S2C Burrs inside. So let's just open it up and see what's inside. Let's open this up, guys, and see what's inside of this box and see how it is. Oh wow. This is a really good quality grinder. So I definitely recommend this grinder. I heard only good things about it, and you can actually feel the quality on the grinder here. So let's just get it up and see. Wow, nice. Everything is very good made. Yep. This brand, it's a new brand, and this, guys, is the grinder. It's heavy, it's good made. You feel the quality. This is the adjustment. This is where the coffee goes, and let's see how you can pull this up like that. Boom, slides in just as easy as that. Guys, this is a very budget friendly grinder, and as you can see, it just spins by itself. This is really good, a good grinder. So definitely recommend to you. I'm gonna use it these days, and I'm gonna tell you more about it and about the quality of the grinder. Let me just open really quick here to show you the burst inside. Guys, it's just insane the quality that this grinder has. As you can see, the bursts inside are really good quality. I really want to make a coffee, but it's at night right now, so I cannot drink coffee at night because I won't sleep. But to be honest, this is one of the best grinders that I see for the price. Yeah, really good grinder. Damn. This was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you enjoyed the video.